Hello, all my fishing fanatics out there. Welcome back to Pacific Northwest Fishing Garage, guys, and welcome to the garage. If you haven't noticed already, we've got another Angler's Arsenal box review for you guys. If you haven't seen the previous videos, we did a nibble, we did a bite, now we're doing hooked mixed. Okay. Now, you guys know by now, I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion about everything that comes in the box, what I like, what I don't like, what could be changed, etc., and if needed, a flashlight test. And of course, with all my videos, guys, I strive to make sure you guys get an in-depth review of the items that come in here so you guys can personally see them without me holding them up going, can you guys see this? It's great, isn't it? I want to make sure you guys get that nice in-depth view. So that was going to happen as well. Without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and hop in. Of course, I'm going to dig to the bottom because I love this stuff. But I like to pull out all the cool stuff first. Make sure there's nothing else in here that... I know there's a sticker somewhere in there, but we'll get to that in a second. Of course, guys, we have the Angler's Arsenal wrist bracelet. Again, I love getting these because I can take this on my other table that where we paint lures and do our own soft baits, which that's a whole entire another series coming your guys' way. Just giving you guys a hint. Excuse me. I'm giving you guys a hint right now. We've been making our own lures, soft baits, everything like that, just to have fun with. My daughter's loving that. But this really helps. I can set this on a table, and since I got multiple of these, I can have one on the table this way and also one on the table this way. And she can actually practice tying knots on the table with the fishing line. She can go there and learn how to tie them, and it makes it great because she can look at it. I go, okay. Now what we did was we printed out a couple more of these, but made them bigger. Just easier to read because they are kind of tiny in writing. But I love that, guys, and thank you, guys. Don't stop putting that in your box. That's awesome. So without any further ado or waste of time and me jabbering, let's dive right into this. First, here you got CSP lures. Not really much information on these, just CPS lures. Sealed. Oh man, CPS lures. That is a beautiful color. Oh man, if someone can invent smell-o-vision, that would be awesome because these smell beautiful. All right, guys, and on to the next one. We've got here Bass Super Bait Company. These are Coffin Crawfish Texas Special. Oh, those are beautiful. I do love my crawfish, guys. I love catching them and eating them here in the Pacific Northwest. I've got a whole bunch of crawfish stuff. Smell like plastic, definitely compared to the CPS lures. Look at those beauties. Look at that. Just beautiful. Nice and oily there. Alright. Here we've got X-Zone. These are drop shot neg rigged swim bait head Stealth Invader 3-inch touchdown color. Alright, nice color. I do like how these are different. Here we've got Thompson Custom Lures, it looks like. Yeah, Thompson. So trying to see what it says, any information on it. So it looks like this might be handmade, hand painted. Looks very nice, very sharp hooks, I can tell you that. Of course, you got an in-depth review on that. Here we've got Lure God hooks, 3 ounce or 3-aught. You got this 3-aught 1/4 ounce custom lures. All right, here we've got rubber baits. Let's see, pro rubber baits. Okay, I like that. I like the pictures of this guy. That's gonna be cool. And here we've got Lake Erie Works. This is the Junkie Jig OG BB 1/2 ounce. Only bad thing about these ones, though, they have the silver back, so you can't always see every detail. Very nice blue and black. Weedless. See, I love the bigger ones here, 1/2 ounce, 1 ounce. Those are my go-to guys. All right, and here we've got another. I think it's CPS, same thing. Yep, CPS lures. So not much information on this lure, which is kind of a little bit of a bummer. It is beautiful though. It's a nice color. All right, we got another carp slap, 1-inch mini crank shad, and I believe I had one of these in my other boxes. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Here we go. I have not had this one. This is going to be awesome. This is from Carp Slap 1.1 mini crank goldfish, guys. This is an awesome. You guys see the in depth of this one, you guys are going to kind of laugh about that. No, don't go to your Petco, your PetSmart, and buy some goldfish. Go fishing with, guys. And got another one here. This is 1.1 mini crank baby bass. We've already seen this one, so 2 of the same ones so far. And last but not least, guys, here we've got Bang Lures by Bass Assassin, Watermelon Shine, Fat Job, 5.25 inch, 12 count. Enhanced with liquid salt, attracting infused lures. Let's see. Okay. Nice colorway to them. Let's see if they got any smell. Oh, man. A little bit, but they do look beautiful, guys. Oh, man. We got a little bit of a smell to them. I mean, plastic, but also another smell. So, let me just double check here, guys. Looks like there's nothing else in here. So let's count up the items that we got together. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items, guys. Now, of course, the only thing I noticed that is missing no sticker this time. So that's the only thing I noticed is missing. That's usually standard with, these 3 items. Is I'm missing my sticker. I love my stickers. So let's go ahead and talk about the box. All right. First off, These two carp slaps, even though I really like the color from the shad and the baby bass, technically I got both these in my very first box I ordered. So those are going to have to go into the no pile for me. Now the only reason why is for that because I've already got them. I don't need duplicates of them. Now I'm not saying having duplicate things are wrong, because if I lose something and I've caught say 5 fish in that lure and I don't have another one, kind of meh. Having two is kind of like a medium. Or I'm saying no is because repeat things right away. And again, guys, if you don't know, I kind of ordered everything right at once, so I expect to see duplicates. 3, 4, 5, 6 months down the year, I hopefully don't see duplicates. Now, let's go ahead and go into the yes category. There's going to be a lot of yeses in this box, guys. Of course, the mini crank goldfish, that is definitely a yes to me, for me, guys. Oh my goodness. And I have not gotten these X Stones yet. These are the 3-inch Stealth Invaders. Touchdown. So that's definitely a yes for me. And you guys know how I feel about soft baits. So now, of course, I love jigs. I love them, especially when they're weedless, especially when they're ½ ounce or an ounce. So yes on that. The Bass Reaper Coffin Crawl Texas Special. I love fishing with crawfish. There's just something special about them when you're fishing, depending on how you're fishing. I just love the action of them and how many different colorways and everything you can do and where you can fish them at. So that's definitely another yes for me. This one here, the CPS lure, I like the color on it. Only thing I am a little bit disappointed, it doesn't tell me much information, so I can't tell you guys if it's 3/4 ounce, if it's diving, stuff like that. So I wish there's a little bit more information on it. Now, before I probably say much, what I should do is open this. Yep, that's just one little package. All right, so it's still going to be a yes, but I just wish there was a little bit more information. So CPS Lures, if you guys happen to watch this, or Angler's Arsenal, just a little bit. Tell me what it is. Like you guys write on, some companies write on here. I'm fine with that. My reading may suck, but I'll do my best, right? Next one here from Lake Lure Yours. Again, ½ ounce, weedless, love it. This one here, I don't know. I mean, it's got a nice Thompson's Custom Lures, better baits, better everything. Joey Thompson's the owner. So looks like like I said, he hand painted. Looks like this. Did everything himself, which I really like. Don't like the bag it came in. So, but I like the weight of this and everything else on this. You guys get an in-depth view, and it's something I haven't had. So I'm really excited to fish with this. So I'm gonna have to check these guys out too. And of course, here we've got the rubber baits. This is the 710 ounce. And if you look, I mean, obviously not the same color. Oh, where'd my... try to keep them by. But, I mean, here's the Guggen Squad one and this one. Okay. Obviously, a little bit different, but if I was looking at these two, I would go with this one. It's not because I'm trying to dog Guggen Squad, but it's the details on the face on this guy that I really like. Then, of course, we've got almost last CPS lures. Oh my goodness, these things smell beautiful. I'm guaranteed to catch some fish on these guys. Then, of course, the Bangalores Bass Assassin. I love the color on these guys and how they got the little ribs around them. throw that rest in there. The only thing I'm kind of sad about is you can get a sticker. I love my stickers, man. The one thing I kind of look forward to in boxes is getting stickers. But overall, you guys now have seen all of the mixed species in different tiers, from the nibble to the bite to the hooked. And if I was going to have to tell you guys what box to pick, I'd go with the hook, guys. It's not because it's more money, because of the value and everything else you get in this thing compared to the other two. I recommend the hook, guys. And again, I'm not sponsored. I don't have a code to give you guys to get discounts. I don't get free stuff from Angler's Arsenal. I don't get any of that. I'm giving you guys my honest opinion. My honest opinion is go with the hooked. Now, of course, we got 2 more hooked boxes to review. This is the next species that I did each tier in one of these to test them out, and I am hooked on the hooked. If you guys haven't already, turn those notifications on, hit that subscribe button. If you guys got any of those Arsenal box, comment below. Let me know what you guys think about them, please. I would love to hear other people's stories as well. Go see me. If you haven't already, swing by our Instagram, guys. Show us some love there. It means a lot. And of course, if you haven't, stop by our TikTok, guys, and show some beautiful hearts there. I think it's hard. I don't know. I'm still learning all this social media stuff, guys. Thank goodness I have kids to let me know if I'm doing something wrong or right nowadays, right? Well, guys, I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Well, and everyone. Remember, guys, we'll see you soon.